You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this cut of beef, of meat. It's a type of steak, generally pronounced in British English. The American pronunciation you'll see is a little bit different. Sirloin, sirloin, sirloin. Now in American English it's pronounced similarly, but the R is pronounced more in the American way. Sirloin, sirloin, American, sirloin steak, or in British English pronunciation, how to pronounce sirloin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.